Welcome to the next episode. Get ready to be amazed as we unleash the power of colossal machines, showcase daring maneuvers, and demonstrate masterful skills in the most challenging terrains. Let's dive in. On the challenging road by the quay of the ferry dock, the truck, heavily loaded with goods, charged up the hill like an unyielding warrior. The powerful roar of the engine echoed, thundering with each beat, as if wanting to tear apart the quiet stillness of the dock. But as it neared the summit, the truck suddenly slowed, its wheels slipping slightly on the rocks, unable to move forward. The tense breath of the driver seemed to blend with the sound of the engine, as the truck came to a halt, struggling. But the weight of the truck was too great, and the stones carefully placed couldn't withstand it. The tension filled the air. Every eye was on the truck, waiting for a miracle.
Tô gravando batendo as pedras. Quando tu passa assim, ó, cara, tu vai mais devagar, assim, ó, porque senão fica aquela imagem brusca.
Under the weight of the truck, the rocks crumbled. The entire vehicle slowly slid down the slope, out of control, like a beast bound by its own stubbornness. A heavily loaded truck slowly reverses down a steep slope, its engine roaring with power. At the bottom, another truck waits, ready to climb the dangerous incline.
Da frente atrás. Arroa.
A thick cable is secured between them, and with a steady pull, the second truck begins to ascend the slope with surprising ease. The perfect coordination between man, machine, and nature is on full display. The trucks, powerful and precise, work together like silent warriors, overcoming the harsh terrain. It's a testament to human skill and technological strength, turning the impossible into reality. In the heart of a snow-covered forest, the mid-sized truck, its trailer laden with logs, stands poised at the base of a daunting incline. The cold air hangs heavy as the driver, a seasoned expert, revs the engine. The truck's wheels spin furiously, but the thick snow beneath offers no grip. The tires slide in place, helpless, as the truck remains still, defying the force of the engine's power.
Ай, блядь.
The driver doesn't panic. With years of experience etched into every movement, he reassesses the situation. He knows this terrain, knows the snow's trickery. He adjusts the throttle carefully, methodically, each small decision an art of precision. The wheels spin again, but this time there's a slight shift. Slowly, ever so slowly, the truck begins to inch forward. Deep within the lush green forest, the scene is set. A sturdy blue truck, its bed heavy with logs, prepares to roar to life. The engine hums with power, ready to tackle the challenge ahead. Behind it, another truck, equally burdened, waits, its massive load swaying slightly in anticipation. And further back, a third truck, its cargo of wood stacked high, is tied in, connected by thick cables. The Volvo NL12, fully loaded with logs, charges forward like an arrow. With unmatched power, it cuts through the mud and climbs the steep slope without hesitation. A true workhorse, this machine never fails, always delivering with strength and reliability, no matter the challenge. The scene before us is the ferry slowly crossing the rushing river, carrying a tractor trailer loaded with logs. The powerful currents test the ferry's endurance, but it remains steady, like a warrior facing the challenge, making its way to the opposite shore. Surrounding it, the pristine natural scenery with trees and fast-moving water adds to the intensity of the journey. The workers on the ferry, calm and skilled, prepare to dock. Every movement, every step is precise and careful, demonstrating their deep understanding of the task at hand. They know that it's not just the technology, but the craftsmanship and experience of the people that determine the success of the operation. Amid the vast, unforgiving terrain, the TT4 stands as a symbol of raw strength and unwavering resilience. A mechanical titan, it is built for challenges most would deem impossible. Today, it faces its next trial, dragging the massive Kamaz 4310, a behemoth in its own right, through the harsh conditions that lie ahead. TT4 roars to life, its engine growling as it digs deep into the earth beneath. With every turn of its massive wheels, it propels itself forward, the mud and rough terrain offering no resistance to its might. The truck's metal frame strains under the weight of the task, but it never falters. It's as if the very spirit of the machine is locked in a dance with nature, pushing through every obstacle, its strength and power evident in each determined movement. The Madeira route, flooded by heavy rains, becomes a fierce challenge. The truck powers through the rising water, its wheels cutting through the flood with strength and precision. Surrounded by trees, the driver's steady hands guide the truck, navigating the waterlogged path. This journey is a battle against nature, showcasing the resilience of both the machine and the driver. The DAC 665T is a true marvel of engineering, designed to conquer even the harshest landscapes. Its powerful engine roars to life, while its massive wheels grip the earth, navigating through soft, slippery ground with ease. The truck moves with remarkable precision, effortlessly overcoming obstacles that would challenge any other machine. Its advanced systems, including reinforced frames and robust suspension, allow it to keep moving forward, regardless of the terrain. Amidst the white expanse of the snowy forest, a Kamaz 6x6 powered by its robust Yam Z238 turbo engine prepares to conquer the treacherous, icy slope ahead. Fully loaded with timber and towing a heavily laden trailer, it boldly charges forward, each wheel carving through the thick blanket of snow. Despite the slippery and challenging path, the vehicle does not falter. The driver, with experience and composure, navigates the Kamaz with precision, harnessing the full power of the machinery to overcome every obstacle. In this moment, the fusion of technological might and human skill creates an unstoppable force, advancing relentlessly against the trials of nature. In the heart of Malaysia's dense, rain-soaked wilderness, the Mercedes-Benz Kurzhaber truck faces the powerful floodwaters of a swollen river.
Whoa!
Loaded with timber, the truck's engine roars to life, its compact design and rugged build cutting through the water with ease. Despite the fierce current, the truck presses on, its advanced engineering and strong frame, enabling it to conquer the flow. The driver, experienced and steady, guides the truck through the treacherous waters, showcasing the perfect harmony between human skill and machine power. In the dense forest of Wachimeta Sajido, a massive truck faces a narrow, slippery curve. The road, too treacherous for the truck to navigate alone, requires the assistance of a specialized vehicle equipped with a powerful winch, already waiting for the challenge. With a cable secured to the truck's front end, the winch steadily pulls the vehicle around the sharp bend, inch by inch. The truck's robust design, combined with the winch's strength and the driver's expertise, allows them to conquer the difficult terrain. The Scania 113 hook, part of the iconic Scania 113 series, is built for the toughest tasks, especially in industries like waste management and construction. With a powerful diesel engine offering 290 to 360 horsepower, it effortlessly handles heavy loads, including those managed by its versatile hook lift system. As the truck climbs a steep incline, its engine roars to life, demonstrating raw strength and precision. The driver, skilled and focused, expertly navigates the truck, proving that with the right combination of powerful technology and human expertise, no challenge